Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use set notation with Venn diagrams. We've got 3 success criteria, and the first one is to understand set theory notation. So a set is a collection of objects. In maths, this is often a collection of numbers. The numbers in the set are called elements. And we use curly brackets to denote a set. The universal set symbol is the set of all values in the question. So in the numbers 1 to 10, A is the set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is the set of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is the set of numbers 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So what do you think this N symbol means? Well, N means the intersection. And the intersection of two sets is the list of elements that are in both sets. What do you think the U symbol means? So the U symbol is called the union. The union of two sets is the list of elements that are in either of the sets or both sets. So what do you think the dash symbol means? So the dash symbol is called the complement. The complement of a set is the elements that are not in that set. What do you think this 0 with a line through it means? So the 0 with a line through it means an empty set. So the empty set symbol means there are no elements in that set. So what do you think this E symbol means? So this E symbol means is an element of. So the E symbol reads is an element of, so that means the numbers are in that set. Here's a summary of all the set notation that you need to know about. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, there's your amber answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 1. So now we're going to move on to number 2, and this is to apply set theory to Venn diagrams. So this is a Venn diagram, and what part of the Venn diagram is represented by A intersection B? Well, the intersection is where the two circles cross. So it's this section here. What part of the Venn diagram represents A union B? Well, the union means everything in A and everything in B. So it's the two circles. What part of the diagram is represented by A dash? Well, A dash means the complement of A, which means everything outside of A. So that's this. What part of the diagram represents the complement of A intersected with B? So think about the area of the complement of A, then the area of B, and look at where they cross over. So this is the complement of A, and this is B. So the part where they crossed over was this bit here. What part of the diagram represents the complement of A union with B? So we shade in the complement of A, so that's everything outside of A, and then shade in B as well. So we shade in everything outside of A and shade in all of B as well. This time we want to list the set A intersection B. So that would be 2, because that's where the two sets cross. If we want to list the set of A union B, that's everything in A and everything in B. So that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 5, 3, and 7. If we want to list the set of the complement of A, so that's everything outside the circle of A. So that's 3, 5, 7, 1, and 9. If we want to list the set of the complement of A union with the complement of B, that's all the numbers outside of A and all the numbers outside of B. Here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, and there's your red answers. Here are some more questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answers, and there's your red answers. And now we've completed success criteria 2. So now we're going to move on to number 3, and this is to create Venn diagrams given set notation information. So given the numbers 1 to 10, A is the set 3, 4, 5, 6. The complement of A union B is 2 and 10, and the intersection of A and B is 5 and 6. We want to draw a Venn diagram to represent sets A and B. So here's our Venn diagram. We're told the intersection of A and B is 5 and 6, so straight away they can go in the middle. In set A is 3, 4, 5 and 6, so 3 and 4 must just be in A. 2 and 10 are on the outside because that's the complement of A union B. So any other numbers between 1 and 10 must just be in circle B. So that's 1, 7, 8 and 9. And now we've completed the Venn diagram. Here are 2 questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, and when you're ready to mark your work, press play. Here are your answers. So there's your green answer, and there's your amber answer. And now we've completed success criteria 3. So now that we've completed the last objective, it's time to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the videos on the rest of the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya.